Hello everyone, welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. Today I will show you why your product is not showing on Shopify, how you can fix it, and also to explore different kind of things that you can do in order to fix this. So basically what we're looking here is we basically want to check Shopify product availability. Now another common issue with products not displaying correctly on live pages is related to product availability. So make sure that when you are in your products tab on your Shopify, to click on product availability. Here you can actually manage the product availability and you can check the online store, right? So this is one thing that you can do with product availability, right? So this is one thing that a lot of people get wrong usually. Also make sure that if you have a collection here, that it's in a collection that is displayed on your website as well. Now, another common issues could be, to make sure that it's active and available in the online store channel. If you're tracking inventory, make sure there's inventory available for the product as well. And if it belongs to a collection, as I said, make sure it's showing from the Shopify admin under products, collections, and then inside the collection under products, make sure that it's showing from the Shopify admin. Now, if it does not belong to a collection, do you have all products page linked on your store? Make sure to check that as well. Now, as you can see, if you're having trouble with your products not appearing on Shopify, there are a few things you can check. First, make sure that your products are published and that you have assigned them to the correct collection. If they're still not appearing, try clearing out your cache and refreshing the page. If you still have trouble, contact Shopify support for further assistance. This is what I would do. Usually when my products were not live on Shopify, it was either a cache error or it was basically me not publishing the Shopify products. So definitely check those out. If this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel, leave a like down below, and also comment down below if you have any more concerns. Thank you guys for watching.